high above the mountain peaks in Grisons, where the magic never sleeps. Feel the wind in my hair, the air so sweet, flying over Swiss Alps, a dream complete. Snow-capped peaks beneath the golden sun, as the valley unfolds, a vision of one. Wings spread wide, like an eagle I become. This journey through heaven can't be undone. Oh, the alpine sky, my spirit soars. The mountains rise in this sense from nature's delight. Flying over Swiss Alps, my heart takes flight. Flying past the shimmering icy streams in Engadine, where the sunlight beats, touching clouds with the tips of my wings. In this realm of giants, where freedom sings, beneath me villages dot the landscape, wrapped in the silence of nature's embrace. Higher still to where the air is rare, over peaks of white none can compare. Oh, the alpine sky, my spirit soars. The mountains rise in this sense from nature's delight. Flying over Swiss Alps, my heart takes flight. Above the echoes of ancient stone, through the whispers of the overgrown, the heritage of the Alps, known only to some, carries my soul where it has begun. Each turn reveals a new splendor to behold. Emerald forests and meadows hold the essence of time,